Mark's going to hit it.
Oh, you know what? They're numbered.
It infuriates him. He's like, why would they have all these fans that are not on? I'm like, are you now?
Brian does the same thing toward the bathroom. And it's amazing, some people are so nice.
I know I'm actually going to get a video myself momentarily.
I ended up asking him, because he said it'll still be okay with me. And we were sitting there and he was just like,
Okay.
and he was just like, I'll ask. Or I said, why don't you do it?
Oops, video of the Fanimation Ascension.
Anyway, he asked me if she turned it on. But then, and then
And then you got brushed aluminum finish. They're also available in white finish. They cost around $180 or so online. I've seen them.
And they have so many games near us, and that's like our favorite restaurant. So we go there on Sundays, and if they see us coming, they turn the fans on.
Not on a Sunday and
We can eat at Tumbleweed, and they have different things for it. But Alcott University is really nice. And then the piece of lumber is across the road, and it's really those writers.
It's moving its own way. Oh, is this technically an industrial or commercial fan?
I think it's more commercial, but
Yeah.
it could be used as an industrial if you wanted to.
Yeah. Should I shut it off and have it spin down now?
They're really expensive, but they're and the lighting is really nice.
what is that chain? It's like a Bahamas. They always have fans. I don't know that works in Tommy Bahamas. They sort of watch them grow up.
The lady that works at the sunglass hut, she waits. We'll just sit outside for everything. I'm like, if you want us to go away, turn the fans off. That's all we're waiting for.
So here I'm in the corner,
Back to the
and
corner.
I can see everything down that wall, everything from those light switches over, and the Ascension.
Nice. Like the prime spot right there. But from this spot, I can look out and see a bus.
Ooh.
See like the McAllister still each.
Oh yeah.
There's nothing there.
Way over there, that blue one.
It's weird. It's an international, but it has it's like a cookie cutter front. You know, the cutaway.
That's a good
With the bus back, just a pseudo motor coach or whatever. Yeah.
And Mark knows this because
I own a bus,
yes.
and then for another couple of days, in fact, I sold it to a fellow in Wisconsin. I'm going to pick him up, and we're going to drive back to where I have it stored in Rhode Island, and he's going to drive it back. So,
Oh, yeah.
a 1999 Bluebird Trend shuttle.
Still spinning down.
Oh, what's the blades? Yeah, I'm not even going to try to get the top. I have to stand up in a chair or something. It's taking a while to wind down.
We have guests. But we go, like, most of the animal cages have fans. And I'm like, hey, look at the giraffes. And he's so we go to the zoo to look at fans. Each little area of the zoo has, like, fans that are, like, made to the theme of whatever.
And over here we've got Dave Warren providing entertainment for everybody.
We got a soundtrack.
That's right, that's right. This will be the official soundtrack for the Ascension from now on, yes.
Yeah. You gotta figure out what they like. They started out on air some reason, he's like a behavior for autism and stuff. I was about ready to pull my hair out.
Yay! Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good luck, good luck, good luck.